Hello. I'm here doing the testing these products. Because there's leak here. See, this is only come from here, so I'm not sure if the backflow of water coming back or from here. So what I gonna do here is I'm going to put water there inside. Okay, because that's designed for the water drainage. Drainage is just going here. So what I did, I removed only the four screw. Okay, and the filter. There's the cover. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's something on the other side. So now we're going to start put water there inside. Over here, so that we can see really where the leak is. Okay. Okay, I put this here so that you can see where the water came from. Okay, I have water here. Okay. Okay, put it here so that you can see. Oh, I have this wire. Okay, like that. Just like this. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, put it here already. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm using this so that the water can go still inside. See, I put water here. Okay, I'll drain this a little bit. Okay. Alright. So now you can see where's the water came from. Now you can see where's the water came from. Where's the water come from? The water came from here. Where? Oh, it's clogged. It means clogged. So coming here. So it means the water is clogged. So this means this is clogged. So water does not come here, not come here. Just come here to the top because it's clogged. Okay. So now, so I have to make a way so that the clog will remove. So the remedy for that is to remove the clog. This is the remedy. Because as of now you can see the water is here. See, going here and going there. Okay. So now my remedy is to remove this one, two, remove, and then I unclog them. Possible the clog is here, and or yeah, I can see it. Yeah, we can see the problem is after we remove this. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, we got it now. We found now the problem.